Hey there, and welcome to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into a small but essential device that keeps our homes comfortable year-round, the thermostat. We'll learn how it works and tackle some common fixes to keep it running smoothly. Let's get started. A thermostat is a regulating device, component that controls the coolant flow to allow the engine to maintain a proper temperature. Under various conditions, it consists of the main valve, a spring and a bypass valve. The thermostat is located between the engine and the radiator. It is placed near the water pump on the cylinder head. A faulty thermostat may cause the temperature gauge to read higher or lower than normal. You may find leaking coolant around the thermostat or under the vehicle and experience erratic temperature changes while driving. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the coolant. Thermostat-related error codes. First, carefully remove the thermostat from the engine, and then install a new thermostat. To install it correctly, you need to make sure the short end goes toward the hose, and the deep end goes towards the engine. When you install it back to the engine, make sure the jiggle valve is pointed straight up to the top of the engine, so the air can get through the system. If you've tried these fixes and your thermostat still isn't working, it might be time to call an HVAC technician. They can check for deeper issues with the wiring or your system. And there you have it, a quick guide to understanding your thermostat and fixing common problems. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and stay comfortable.